Okay.
There we go. All right.
Thank you. Appreciate
guys
it.
stay safe, stay warm, all right? Saucy rice. Dad. I'm so glad we can help. What do you need?
The boxes are warmer, it's not anymore.
I don't know. Be careful.
Hoping for the best. Just trying to make it day by day. It's all we can do. Just take the resources that they're giving us and then try to make it the best.
Do you feel
Their heads? They're not here for the weekend, baby. They're not here for a week. These people are here for the duration. They lost everything. Can you? Ooh, I couldn't fathom losing everything. And I know it's just
when you lose everything at this point in your lives, you know, the rebuilding process takes time, and there's just, you know, too few years left in our life to have to be starting from the ground up. So we probably will just resettle. I mean, paradise